Okay, so this is how you can create a Google Meet for your Google Classroom that will reuse the same link each time. So you start off here, you go to classwork, then click on Google Calendar. So these are my office hours ones, so I'll create one for crew. All right, so my title would be Rug Crew. Make it for 10. And add conferencing. So here's the Google Meets that it creates. It's for Rug Crew. Now I want to go to more options. And then you want to make sure, so mine's going to repeat every Friday. All right. So I have the conference, set the time, and then save. So now if I open it, there's the link it created. So you can copy that link. But if I go to the next week, you can see it's the same link. Yeah, work on your Amplify. I'll help you in a second, buddy. And that should be it.